The India's nightingale has flew away. The nightingale which had came from heaven to make the world heaven from her voice has accepted the call from heaven. Hello everyone, this is Mahima and you are watching News 47. She might left, but her voice has an isolated space in every Indian's heart. Yes, we are talking about the legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar. The person with the most beautiful soul, most beautiful personality, and the most beautiful voice, India's own Lata Didi. Born in 1929 as the eldest daughter of Dinanath Mangeshkar, who was a classical singer and a theatre actor. That's the reason that Lata Mangeshkar received her initial lessons from her father. She even worked as an actress in her father's music plays at the age of just 5. This shows that she was so dedicated. When she went school for the first time, she left school on day 1 because school was not allowing her to bring her younger sister Asha along with. When she was just 13, her father died of some heart disease. Then a close friend of Mangeshkar's family and Vinayak, the owner of Navyug Chitrapat movie company, took care of the family. Around 1942, she played a small role in a Navyug's Chitrapat's Marathi movie. Then in 1943, she sang her first Hindi song for a Marathi film. During 1945, Vinayak's company moved their headquarters in Mumbai and Lata Mangeshkar moved along with, and there she started taking lessons in Hindustani classical music from Ustad Aman Ali Khan. Lata Mangeshkar and Asha both played minor roles in Vinayak's first Hindi language movie. After Vinayak's death in 1948, Ghulam Haider, a music director, mentored her as a singer. After that, Ghulam Haider gave Lata Mangeshkar her first major break with a song in a movie which came in 1948, which became her first ever big film throughout. Once in an interview, she even said that Ghulam Haider was her godfather, who had complete faith in her talent. Then she worked very much on herself to improvise her voice. Even she took lessons in Urdu for having Urdu accent in Hindi Urdu songs. Then in 1949, she gave major hits, but one among them is this song from a movie in which the song was lip-synced by an actress who was legend itself, Madhubala. In 1950s, she worked with various directors including Anil Biswas, Naushad Ali and many more. In 1958, she won a Filmfare Award for Best Female Playback Singer for Salil Chaudhry's composition. In 1962, she was awarded her second Filmfare for the song. On January 1963, Lata Mangeshkar sang a patriotic song, "A Mere Watan Ke Logo," in presence of Jawaharlal Nehru and then for the Prime Minister of India. The song made the Prime Minister cry, including the whole nation, and this song is making the nation cry till date. During 1960, she did a lot of duets with Kishore Kumar, Manna De and Mohammad Rafi. She was honored with a lot of prestigious awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Dada Saheb Phalke Award and many more. She was the first Indian to perform at Royal Albert Hall, London. Lata Mangeshkar had recorded plenty of songs in around 36 languages. Her singing career is like an endless sea, and summarizing it in words is just not easy. This voice will remain in the nation's heart till the end of mankind. This loving soul will be remembered forever. No other can replace this Nightingale from the nation's mind. This is very heartbreaking that her physical appearance left us on 6th February 2022. She'll be loved forever.
चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले गए.
For more updates, please subscribe to our channel.